All right, let's see what happens.
Brandon, so you're not going to video me? Video me on your phone.
Fight your grip through.
Video me on your phone.
Belly out, good job.
Brandon wrestles that way. Brandon.
There it is. Find something you can use. Find the leggers if you have to. Get long, good. Get long, good. Scramble, sit.
Head up.
Knee slide. We're going to work on that all next week.
Earlier, I didn't know what to do. The guy's stuff was just in my face, and I
Saw
was
that.
so weird.
You're nice to me. I might have bit that crap.
I was going through it. I was like, is I even that? I didn't want to get like called for like and
Hey.
get like.
So I've seen people headbutt it before.
I know what to do. I haven't had everything. I was sitting. I was like, I wanted to just like grab and like push him, and he would have moved then, but I didn't want to like get a.
Check his oil.
I'm changing the bathroom.
Change. Why? Are you done wrestling today?
Brandon and Red. They're getting Bozeman and Auburn.
Grab the leg, grab the leg.
I didn't want to
Head up!
get disqualified or something. I don't know what that is.
That's okay. You did good though.
I realized what I did on the host cars.
Yeah, you just kept doing the full Nelson. That's all. You did great though.
That's what I wanted to say.
You did great.
Never took me on.
Fighting, come
Hey,
on!
I got it all on film. You'll be able to see it.
Can I go too?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little worried. I have Auburn's 45, and he's supposed to be like one of the best 45 in
That's great. No, you're right.
I'm not gonna lie.
I need He's got to create some offense.
Then I'm gonna get out there and be like,
He's about to get hit for stalling. Hey, you're the only one that won against Rapola, huh? Yeah.
get up. There you go,
He's just half a second away from making that work for him. He's scrappy. He's just got to learn how to flip his hips and do a lot more. He's coming around though.
He's down.
Try to punch through.
Go again, other way.
Caleb, turn.
Go under his head though. Elbow in the mat.
Go the other way.
When he readjusts his grip, you go.
It's 6 in the morning.
Yeah, but we'll be done by 4. Mindful of your elbows. Let's go.
Remember that time that I was sleeping and that y'all were just waiting for me on the mat to know how to get my feet were in everything?
Yeah. Run it. Hey, roll your wrist out now. Let's go. Get him high. He's high. Make it work. Run out of there. Let's go. Break that grip. Come out now. You're out. Merkel.
Head up.
Merkel.